Free a year kokumlimle fan of our street and a airbre war meeting the Sandra or him. Madame remains in no small Ghana foot she my your friend is saying. Oh, where did you thank you, Jesus. Nim do woni me bayana me pese me sa kai almost a guy ne die. Me amene guys no Richie Germany ma wo twa me egu na da ache hene mo abo me chidom die. Na ensem we twagu in the world of entertainment no. Ja de bebremo. But on a real Ghana ye per holiday, papa. Me tell you yes holiday MCU mate. Me hu ne ntama anka metimi ye bibi. E de ma mo ba anye sei pa de ensem we twagu in the world of entertainment dey. Me bone be de na me de abremo. Be ne pese me be phone lines. Be se me no twetwe nkomo kakra. As me buy ye cry, me share na mo nya chit bi asa o sa. Aha, me be phone lines no. Frenana me ndi nkomo. Entertainment lovers. Day na osha Ghana entertainment industry no. Ye betimi aya aka ho a, ye betimi ama yen so so yetumpon. Ghana entertainment industry no, we entertainment lover. I mean, we do the job for y'all. Yeah, adwuma ne de mamo. Creatives no. Enti wo ti fie na do entertainment a me hye me bisa, ofra cha wadwen. Penifo hwe penifo tie, e bia na o mafa kakra. No mo de abontuma no ano de opese wo hu from Ghana entertainment industry no then I share they can we be ye de kwa na ye free mu a ebeboa ye personally de ye free mu ebeboa ye a meet me aka bi ye sa social media didi atem ne sa trolling ni ade no it's very very outrageous and sometimes it's very very absurd very sad you just can't think fine. See, number no 0302 211 701 24 with me Efrey 0302 211 701 24 with me Efrey na answer na call abebem no ababa we be social media omudi na tempen ye and a day will not pass by me who say ababa we ye di na tem. It's very sad. A mother of 3, a single mother of 3, ne man ye man kwa ababa wa ne bonyum min shede nim ya baba wa na ye Ghana for aside say oni obi di agro no so ni ndi agro biem ababa wa making dogo hit maker Ayona oh Charlie techi jina so meba. It's very sad. Ayona yanyum tuni bia every day on social media they troll this girl, they insult her. It's been 1.5 years mehusa ababa wa no o medina temsa and one day yebeso na ababa wa no ahye no ho akonfo because I don't know how she feels. Me na meteche no me opinion did the attempt na I feel very heartbroken and sad. And see no ye did attempt. I don't know how she feels. Yo Ghana for mesremo ye gina ye troli kakra asemba ye gina ye can be kakra but for a whole year and a half. Oh me pamocho wate ade bia girl na yem bia na me nsa dansa yem me sem ho mi ntwa so na munjai wate. She's a mother, she's a midwife. Ohia adwene to focus on her work, her kids. Miss Bell, sister Kuya, it started from Onoya Kanem patch also for anutum bi no munjai wate. I feel very sad for the girl. It's too much. And then why am I? Oh, Ayona, I'm sorry about everything you're going through. Wate, bibia be fine. I'm my first caller. Hello, brother. Good morning.
Good morning, why?
Me patch on apo mo e.
Apo pa da mo na so.
Me patch me ho ye pa. Na here na brother you from me free.
Me so free takwa.
Okay, takwa Gold City. Patch bibia boko takwa ho.
Yeah.
Yendin komo Ghana entertainment industry. Then I heard they can have a boy. Then you free ma. Abeboy.
Yeah, me person ye me say. E bet me holidays na do so my do.
Oh,
me chana Ghana ye bread.
Oh.
Ghana mabu bread heavy Elizabeth had fair good. Ghana atakwa cry or cry ni good and you are. Oh, compare between your good baba ko cry chabo fra. Ghana politicians so to see it the moon can be being shown Ghana for bread. And now a purple I'm sorry, mammy, they made you cry my dream. Now then I'm more high, sir. But me to holidays in the near to my more and I would be a bear for France.
Okay.
Why? Now birthday, then why?
Miss Medasi, if I'm packing, Pata, hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho. Thank you for calling. Pacho, you now free me free takwa on.
But you are.
Hey, and it's a for them. Ah, and
I tell you, Madam, the Funny Goddess. Now CDG, now on a West, the emotional power, emotional Moyada.
Oh, me don't want me don't know what
and what I was expecting, I said, the government need to what can shape.
Yeah, that's it.
They said the youngs now want Nigeria now, government needs support. So they grow. And you not find the tour. Young chaps, young mobile. The last of Larry Sone, Kusiata, you scare Pia. Oh, more common and no more selling scabba. Oh, so they're more.
Yamisha pay ye matter kwa America, Yamisha, what was some swam me pay ye. I mean, there was a government investing in the entertainment industry because creatives now muhunisano. At the revenue back country anymore. It's my main fabric is here. Hi, Becky Pasha, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Sandy B.
What's the way, guy? Pasha, he not frame me free.
FM Becky, because I free Kumasi.
Ah, Americans in the body.
Yes, we
day. Pacho, Chawaji Kakao Ghana Entertainment, mammy. Then you if you may, then they can't be.
Sandy B. Pacho, the person on Mobuani said, young artist now Moban. I was a support you.
Okay.
Yeah, support you at least. Almost that year now, more money than that. No more so collaborate with them. Now, more I hate it. The other countries there.
Yeah. Me know Jay. Me da CP so free.
I Akonya we so Abigail Brago.
Okay.
AKA Mapuka or Unaku, happy birthday. Yamisha pa.
Straight up, Mapuka, happy birthday to you, Mapuka. Me da say o free and some no more keginano. Me no mo ngina share side because I mean come to think of it, it's about time my best. But the country most times no big arts name boy. Upcoming funny is because of ungrateful near money CCC where you know because all that is what they've been doing. Or we say we say Bena boy no afo Malay, Bena boy no afo to say Olaxi no more bonyum near their fine. You know, I mean we can do it and we've been doing it. It's like the offer bear nipa 8 to go cipher so more. I mean they've been doing it, so it's not a big deal. You bet me out to us. So if I show you maybe your top 5 Kwame Nkrumah songs, make sure artists entertainment industry, you know. And conform share about a special song. A demand Kwame Nkrumah. Me sure say uti your bra for what it is be baby or how winning it. We mean top 5 songs of Kwame Nkrumah.
5.
Sadele bia ikule ele bia ikule agrobe ye piano patutu agrobe ye piano patutu agrobe ye piano patutu
4.
Proud of Kwame Nkrumah, here the king of Africa, Lord God have mercy. This one is a special dedication to ones and ones who hail Kwame Nkrumah. Lord God have mercy. It's a lot. Independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it's linked up with the total liberation of the whole African continent. You voiced it as thunderous as thunder and made your mark as the black president. Born some 100 years ago inside in Crawford, you taught us not to fool or carry water in a basket. You walked in the belly of the beast till your shoe sole dropped off, but you still hit the deadly nail into the slave master's casket. Or Sergeant Kwame Nkrumah.
3.
You're a sergeant for Doctor Kwame Nkrumah Ghana ba or J Ghana my friend who do see who fran and Toma pa nim before na drinking sika or batampa no donema Kwame Nkrumah way and stroma why you be a Ghana mine. Yo, Timmy Busau and fan who dear no wine J. You know who you Mr. Mo taking yan upon us of wine and you come for no chaya sabia Kwame Nkrumah one see Temahaba do me bread CPP cron one a tay on your man penyo dikai 57 or tam sekai a cantam edis so be baba someone in my yentimin kind factories who do any more quine Temamoto weva cocoa board in a Ghana commercial bank a craft for need that so and Nkrumah bam teacher for lawyer for nurse for and fitter for and I'm so him so kun for so into any free my Ghana for me busamuti Ghana for into region being a bit makasen Nkrumah man and home for so
2.
At long last the battle has ended.
Episode again.
Majority the ties but can't see. Bribery and corruption. Our leaders he take it but don't give. So make a ask. Kuma where you there? No be you talk say my beloved forever.
Yo, Osoni asase ya ensa. Yo, nana no musama for ensa. Yo, ye kwami kuma pa ye. Media from kwami ensa. Yo, Osoni asase ya ensa. Yo, nana no musama for ensa. Yo,
ye kwami kuma pa ye. Ye holiday ne dos yes me mpe holiday sa o. Ye ni abro ye kan amaki abebe se chiman. Oscars die. Wono ene ba akwa biaba. Uchimwa in the next 5 years no. Oba akwa and I'm so not surprised. I mean she can do it. Amaki abebrese. Na her senior sister icha. She roles ya o play. Na her ne character. I mean Beast of No Nation by Ghanaian actress ben no play lead role. Nya amaki. So I mean she can do it. Ebi a movie Beast abeba Ghana ha. Ni e feature no. Na afi ni a nominate sini no. No them supporting role, lead role. Oh, Amaki, your monsemano. I'm rooting for you, Sister Ama. You can do it. Ghanaian actresses are no hope for Mumu. Woka hon, Lydia Force and can hon, Lucky Loss and can hon. Mamudi am a refuge. Mamudi am a refuge. Mamudi am a refuge. But Amaki, I mean, she has said it. Oh, Jinu Hudi. We answer yes, or Beju wedding. So, Jinu Hudi, no, I can't do ya. Go for good. Mummy Mbuma, Sister Ama. I believe in her power. Bet me. Happy birthday, Nkoma Gatuso Benjamin and Alonso Benjamin, police officers from Mona Vungo, Upper East Region. We enter for Gatuso Benjamin, Alonso Benjamin, police officers Mona Vungo na mo Upper East. Mechamu yepa ne ma woda shonko kra na sister me Queen Ems. Yo, mama dear no Queen Ems. Emilia Bobe ene name. What sit down one kind. I mean sister no dying that. Yes, I feel no be seen no be show or be that Kumasi could be so be that or be brave. But I feel no be see one crying. And no cry, no cry. We a bear second, third one. Quenems, Miss Hospital. And I sister if ye chegu, na sister me say a quarto. A 2% a chegu ye party our daroma, who has an Aragadian. Friend ye mouth ho. Ye be chani yo poor better Ghana for hard work pays. Mumma sister no. Efe pan. Efe. We enough morning reno we and get time for any bread, time for prayers, time for motivation. Who know they are show who crying and just know say one sorry that can no see. No say one sorry 5 years. Hey, just an interest in your check. Yes, I feel no sorry no see dino over years of hard work, years of endorsement. Was that to you? EB Ice. Moments the Macron M's. Oh Jesus. It's a Queen M's ho. You have a channel exclusively for Adom TV. But kakreja egu social so enie chegu mumbo mano na fie na fe ye party say me. Ye beba ho. Me ba ho na me ni atime kunkum nyame adoma next year or ware. Nyame adoma next year time kunkum. Ware obi sam say ba ne sen Sister Sandy. Obisa say Sister Sandy ya bro wedding invitation Debbie tobo me ana me nua ware ameye MC but ope kwan e fa so a me so ware next year nyame aye ni je pe sister pacho she me nua ne nkomma me
because this particular one, you must have a calendar. It is going to be the next celebration, and no men are mere bridesmaids. Bridesmaid, bridesmaid. Maid of honor. Let me teach you. Let me see sabotage.
Sama, yo day. Wow. Chief bridesmaid keke. Na me original MC. Ejina so na sanya me nuane just no. Oh, well be Kofi Ampedu. Yempa anointing oil be gallon baako. Yemfa mo me nuane su. Because na teme just no. Edana koma so ye pa yes. Edana koma so. Eti me samadi kan aka teme epekunu. Ene ye hye ne nkoma me nua ye just sanya all smiling. Enti I just women. Nyame adoma next year 36th birthday day. Na me nua na nyakunu na say bibia ye fine. Ye be bom pa ye dia ma wate. Hallelujah. Patoranking so ba Ghana. Na ochiremu a sa Nigeria hono na Ghanaian songs dia hits. Me kwa mini kwa go with the days in Nigeria VIP. When him wachi ahonke wom, it was a hit song to the extent say omodi Nigerian film scramble. But sa na nge no kwanti pato chiremu a enyum bi wo hono ma na agidi wo Nigeria pan to bobo so chere passion me nsimra.
I remember the best visuals, the best videos are from Ghana.
Right. Ibrahim Onijan.
We're talking about not just videos. Now, me being a ghetto boy, you know, we do street carnivals a lot during December and parties as well. When it comes to the highlight of every party is when we go into that Ghana temple. It's always a rave. Now I'm talking about songs like you start with Tic Tac, Kangaroo.
Do the pie, do the pie, do the pie. Tic Tac, if you want me to fall, you don't go. Hey, never ever take off. Hey, hey, I will never ever fall. Come on, no matter how I go, I never walk the front of them. Kangaroo.
That was a big one.
Too much.
You know? Then you come to VIP. You come to prayer, huge. And I don't know if, because when I was telling them yesterday, I find something funny in their reaction. It felt like they were shocked that I know all these songs. Like, how did you know all these songs? I said, bro, these songs were big. What I mean,
and you know, any achievement, and I'm not surprised. Mommy, I'm monster my legend. Ghana and Kasa, you need my dear so. Jenim adiemu so maintenance a problem with Kroma. Once I could be any penifon kwani ebo mudino. And he's not even lying. It's you know, big ups to Sam Kofoy, na mommy and big ups to them. On my juma, there was a tic-tac before I made Obi Berum. It's on my page witness, I move on one muncho mubu. Member ye with him now was so sa papa. I am muncho mubu no. And I mean, y'all all did great. Sabon some more will be in prayer, tic-tac, VIP, Miss Bell. Ghana, how a gateway to hit songs. Ghana, how a gateway to hit songs. Besides, said the intino be abon manu abefa Ghana. Oh, bad intina ya de ni enso mumusa. Shishwe ni mu adwuma nko ane ya de. Shishwe ni mu yempa ya de. Ya de ya no chuchu. Ahoho ni ye ham. Mapon Medin the sister Sandy be a guy well be Kofi Ampedu dache hine Sandra Sana Akapo Richard Osmosis and Afri Priscilla na my Lizzie any chimenim at the mammy or bear ventures SCSC me. I'm the guy's queen. Happy holidays. Where you may be asked, so you go, what's it? Yamisha in a no shay, you must. Boza!